Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to build a custom CRM application using the Zoho Creator. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a powerful CRM tailored to your business needs. We will learn two more things. When a new customer is added in our CRM application and welcome email automatically sent. Secondly, we will learn how to make a custom reports according to our needs in CRM. So let's get started. Let's create a new application from scratch with the name of custom CRM and create a new form customers form and create a new form customers form. Customers name, make it mandatory, and email and address fields, and add a company name, company name. So make it mandatory, and email address must be mandatory, and we add a drop down for the status, and new contacted, and qualified, and converted. Okay, we have a 4 status. Okay, let's done it and see how it's look. Yes, here is our form, and in the start of the video I mentioned we will create a workflow when a new customer is added in the CRM. A welcome email will be sent. So create workflow on the submission of the file. Let's welcome email. Send email. Logged user to customer email, and subject will be the welcome to our CRM. Dear customer, comma, or you are well, let's say welcome to our CRM portal, and etc. Whatever you want you can add, and thanks and regards. You can add the name of the load user, modify username or whatever you want. BitCloud solution. Okay, that's it. Save it, and we can add a condition and the status equals to new. Save criteria and done. Now it's time to test our form and automation. So let's say Mr. A email address. You can use a tempo email and company name BitCloud. Let's say BitCloud and status is new. Submit it and now it's time to test. The email must be sent. Yes, a welcome email has been sent. You can see that. Okay. And the second thing, we can add a customer report. Okay, so let's move to the developer side of this application and add a new customer report. Let's say it's Kanban and our status name is my report. Let's create it. Okay, as you can see that one customer is added, so we can add more. Let's say Mr. D address any and ABC and status you can say that contacted and submit. Let's add one more customer, Mr. Y test@test.com and company name ABC. Let's see ACB and it's converted. Submit and how it's looking on the report. You can see that the reports are sorted on the basis of status and we can also change the information if you like to add company name, our email address, or phone number, address, anything. You can edit it from here. Let's see how we can do it. Yes, you can see that. On the company name, we can change it to email address or anything. You can see that the company name replaced by the email address and anything. So and there you have it, a custom CRM application built with Zoho Creator. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Zoho Creator tutorials. See you in the next video.